I typically plan like today for tomorrow, right? Because I've tried in the past like planning out Monday through Friday what I'm doing each day, and that style just really doesn't work for me because things are very spontaneous in my life, and urgent things always need to get done, and they always come up randomly, right? So for me, I realized that planning just the day before works best for me, but I do have like a weekly goal or set of goals that I want to achieve and or get done, right? So I planned I realized how unrealistic I am, this week. On Mondays is the only days that me and Yuval are actually home together. So we do a lot of like the house things, like groceries and anything that we need to do together, we do. And I planned on Sunday for my. So this experience just taught me how unrealistic I am with my planning. I'm planning because I want to be productive, because I want to take little steps in achieving and getting my to-do list down, right? But if I'm planning and I'm not being realistic about how much time I actually need, and or if I can even able to get it done because there are other priorities that require my attention, then how is that? That's like not benefiting me at all, I'm trying to be proactive and doing the right thing, but then if I'm not realistic with myself and I'm not correctly planning, then that whole system is failing, right? So I feel like, I guess for type A people, that is definitely a struggle, and I'm definitely still trying to find my rhythm and find what works best for me. So picking back off of what we were talking about yesterday about daily planning and everything, I'm also trying to separate my days between running around, checking on projects, driving around and doing those type of work versus staying at home, budgeting, putting in the budgets and admin work, cold calling, things that I should need to be done at work, at home. And so I'm trying to separate those two different type of days, right? So I'm trying to schedule all my inspections, all my checkups at one day or 2 days, and then all the other days I'm able to work from home and do the needle moving things in the business, right? So today is a driving around day, and I'm going to do a couple errands, check on projects, check on things, and then later going to a meetup.
Try everything.